What's up guys, starting this video off in the car, heading to Yum Sushi now. Took about a $17 order. It's the first one of the day on this Monday. It's gonna be going straight down the road. I'm thinking I can do all this in less than 45 minutes. Hey, picking up for Antonia. Thank you. It worked out well. Yum Sushi had it ready pretty quickly. Been in the car 25 minutes. I'm 10 minutes away from home, which is nice. I keep getting orders going into Aurora, and they're like $5.50. I'm not doing it, Grubhub. It don't work like that. Aurora gets extremely busy, especially around traffic hour. I would be sitting at red lights for probably 45 minutes for a $5 order. It's not happening. Going right back into my nice little area. Quick update on that 45-minute goal. I am passing my house right now at 39 minutes total, but I am gonna be going straight to G's Tacos. Got about a $9 order going in the neighborhood. Looking really good on timing overall. Yeah.
Alright, there you go.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you have a great rest of your day.
You too. Pretty good. Taco Bell just came in at a time frame in which it usually doesn't. 12:48 on a Tuesday. It is a rainy day. I'm not even scheduled for a block, so this order really came out of nowhere. Hey, I'm picking up for Ron. Grubhub.
Hey, Ron is in the lobby, okay? I mean, the pickup for Ron. Ron? This is fine.
Okay, thank you.
There you go. Oh, I put the strawberry.
Okay.
And
Thank
I
you.
put sauce in that bag.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. Walking in the sewer, walking in the sewer. We're not afraid, we're not afraid. There's no sidewalk, guys. There's no sidewalk. Guys, I'm telling you, if you ever want a really good workout, go swim 500 yards. I'm telling you, it's probably equivalent to running about 6 miles. I've been out of the pool for about 2 hours now. My whole body is just relaxed, calm, loose. I feel like I spent the day at the spa. Good news, guys. I took a record-breaking order. It's here at Yum Sushi. It's about $34. I think my previous record is like 31, 32. It is going a little further out into eastern Brighton, but it's all country roads. There's no traffic out there. It's an extremely easy drive. A little bit more on gas money, but this is gonna be an awesome order. Hello, picking up for Chris. Grubhub.
Have a good day.
Is it just this one bag? Yeah. Okay, thank you. Picking up for Amanda. Okay. Amanda? Thanks, you too. Thank you. All right, walking out of Old Chicago now. Picked up about a $16 order. Didn't take long to get here. It's a little further than I usually like to come. Going right back into my neighborhood though. Picking up for Jeremy, Grubhub.
So we're unfortunately, we're short one chocolate chip cookie.
Okay.
We could like get a different cookie for you guys.
Yeah, can you just substitute any other cookie? The oatmeal raisin will do. I'll let him know. That's all right. Thank you.
What can I get for you?
Grubhub 503.
Go to the second one, though.
Thank you. 503.
503?
Yep. Thanks. Successful delivery, guys. Rolling up to Popeyes now.
Hold on when you're ready.
Picking up for Jeremy, Grubhub.
Come to the window, please.
Thank you. Hello. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Easy money, baby. I like it. Continuing on, guys. 2 easy deliveries back to back. Walking in the State House now. They are extremely busy. I don't think this order is going to be ready, but we'll give it a try. Picking up for Stephanie, Grubhub. Is that it? Yep. Nice. I got lucky. Thank you. You guys have no faith. They had it ready. Hello. How you doing? Doing all right. How are you? There you go. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Have a good one. All right. This video, I drove a total of 5 hours and 27 minutes. That's a gross of $139.82. Spent about $4 on gas. That takes me to an hourly rate of $24.87. That's the best it's been in a while. Hit that thumbs up button on the way out. I'll see you next time. Bye.